Hey everyone, so in this video I want to give another pool timer instructional guide, basically just a tip. So a pool timer tip is what I want to give you here, and this is something a lot of residential pool owners do not know about. And whenever I find something that I just think that most people should know about, I go ahead and let you know. And so in this case, this is going to be concerning a pool that has a booster pump and has a normal standard pump, not the variable speed pump, but just the normal standard pump. Okay. And so what it is that when you turn on your main pump and your automatic pool cleaner comes on, when this goes off at the end of the day, you want to make sure this goes off with it. If not, it's going to run separate. Now, the Polaris down here is actually designed to have water flow coming to it, okay? And so when you cut the water flow off from the main pump, it's actually running dry. And a lot of people do not know that. I see it all the time. I start new customers and their Polaris is running, the main motor is not running, and it actually is going to either burn up the impeller or the motor eventually. Sometimes it can do it in a short period. And so how you're going to do this is we're going to test this one right here. So we're going to turn the main pump on, and then we're going to turn the Polaris on. Okay? When I come here to actually turn the main motor off, this one should shut off. So the Polaris motor right there, you should actually hear it turn off. So I'm going to shut it off, and it shuts off. So this is wired properly. Okay, if you have one where you turn this on and you turn it off, and you also have the Polaris on, and this runs by itself, you need to have it rewired. Okay, it's real simple. An electrician or a pool professional can come out. What they're going to do is they're going to wire them both together, so when this one goes off, it's also shutting it off. So it's a safety feature. The only time that you're not going to be able to do this usually is with a variable speed pump. Okay, that's a different setup. And but if the time is off on the main pump here and it turns off early and this one doesn't, it's going to, like I said, it's going to damage the motor. So you want them running in sync. You want this one on first, and then maybe say 30 minutes to an hour later, this comes on for its cycle of the day, and then it shuts off, and then you're safe. So it's a pretty simple fix. Pool professionals do it all the time. Electricians, it's not a big deal. I would not recommend it if you're not comfortable with electricity. So definitely don't try to do it on your own. But yeah, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. And I plan on putting out a lot of content here before the season, fully picks up, while I have extra time. And so stick around, and you'll see my new videos in the future. And thanks for watching. All right, bye.